Hey business owners, are you tired of making spreadsheets? Tired of downloading and combining data from different platforms just to check on your key performance metrics? And you suffer through this process week after week because you need these metrics to make important business decisions. But what if I told you that there was a way you could automate these tasks? How much time and money would you be saving if you never had to do these tasks again? Also, how much better would your business decisions be if you had access to these metrics every day instead of once per week or whenever you have time to manually crunch the numbers again? I know for most of you, your business is probably unique, and as a result, there are no existing one-stop shop solutions out there that paint a complete picture of your metrics. This is a completely normal problem for growing businesses and one that I specialize in solving. I have the skills and technical knowledge to quickly evaluate your business data processes and set up systems to automate your key metrics. And this is why I would love to partner with you to automate your data processes to keep you from wasting another minute monkeying around in Excel with your data. Instead, you can use that time to work on activities that are key to your business growth. If you're interested in learning more about what it would look like to have your business metrics automated, I would love to spend 30 minutes on a free call with you to discuss the specifics of your situation and present you with an option to have those processes automated for a fraction of the cost that it would take for you to continue to do them yourself. Please click the link below to schedule a free call where you can learn more and we can discuss the specifics of your situation.